welcome back. In this video we are basically going to working on our slugs, so let's get to it. First of all, what we need to do is to make a controller and the view and of course the route. So let's start by making our controller. I'm already into my blog, and let's say PHP artisan make a controller which I'll call a B controller. B. Okay, that was successfully made. Let's go inside of it. In here, what I basically want to do is to make a function that will return our designated view, which will be with the slugs. So what we have to do is first of all we need to use our post, so make sure you do this, use post. And in here basically let's create a public function. So public function, and the name will be, let's say, slug. And right here will it will accept a slug. So $slug, and let's say $post equals to post, where we want to find our slug. So where what we want, our slug is equal, yes, is equal to our slug that we accepted. So, and let me get the first one. We basically don't need this, but we'll do it anyway. And let's return the view. Return view with, and we will create this in a moment. Let's say B. Yes, you can name it whatever you want. It's like a shortcut for blog, or a shortcut for, basically this is your front end view, which the users will go inside the URL and will look at this. So B dot let's say slug, B dot slug, and with the post. So compact with post, and in the controller we are basically done. So let's go inside our views and make a new folder. Let's call it B. Okay, inside our view, which we just made, let's create a new file, and let's save it as let's say s.blade.php. Save this, and now basically what I want you to do is to go inside your views and posts, and in our show .blade.php, and just copy this all of this, go inside here, because this is so much the same. Basically what we want is to just display this, and let's see what we have to change. Do we have to change anything? Let's have a look. I don't think we need to. Well, I think that's fine. Slug this. Okay, let's save this and let's go into our routes file and no, that's our API route. We want our web.php. Let's create a route for this. So basically what we want to do is to make a route, and when a person goes into our slug, it will get this in here, b dot, what we called it, b.s, no, sorry, this will be our name, but b slash our slug slash our slug, and we want to call a function. Yes, so it will go into our b controller at slug, b controller at our slug, and let's give it a name. Make sure it's surrounded with this, and the name will be let's say slug. Name is slug. Okay, let's first of all see what kind of routes we have now. So PHP artisan route list, and let's have a look. And the name is the slug. Okay, as you can see, our named route right now is slug. Okay, we have that, and now, well, right now what we need to do, basically, we have this. We don't need this inside our slug because we are already in our slug. So let's delete this and let's save this inside our posts, and the show method. We need to change this. So this basically is gonna be directing us to our into our slug. So let's say URL, and the URL will take us whenever a person goes into b slash with the $post and our slug. It will take us into our slug. So let's try this and pause and edit, and okay. So let's try it. We can go into our site, and right now we can do it manually, but later on we will add the interface. The title will be trying slugs, slug, our first slug, slugs, and make the post. Okay, and let's see if, oh, I know what's the, as you can see right here, I'm having a bit of a issue here, and let's fix this. It's okay. Whenever a person goes into dash B, you don't need this. Save it, and let's go back and give it a refresh. And right now, class post not found in B controller. Wait a minute. In our B controller, we didn't use the post. Let's see. HTTP controllers, P controller. Use, oh, it's not use post, it's use app slash post, of course. And let's give it a refresh, and it should work. Let's see, view b.slug, didn't find. Let's see, oh, because return our view, it's not b.slug, it's b.s, as you can see here, b.s inside of here. And okay, I think after all this we are good to go. And as you can see, we are in our slugs B, our first slug, and it's looking great. So what we have left to do is basically, let's have a look. Slugs, read more. Right here we don't want it to go, if you can see, it goes into our post and our number. We want it to go inside our Slack directly, so this is the front-end interface for our users. So let's change this. What we need to do is to go into our home view, and let's see. Oh, it's in our partials, if I'm not mistaken. Partials, post, and right here, this href route we can basically change into our slug route. Slug, post, and right here it's slug, if I'm not mistaken. Post body, and let's give it a refresh, and yep, it takes us into our slug, and we're working along. And for this video it's gonna be enough, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, anything you wanna say, please write in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.